want to know, do people actually know what anthropology is? Do they think that archaeology is anthropology, or do they think sociology is a part of anthropology? So I went out to find some participants and see what their views were. I sat down with 3 participants to ask them what they think anthropology is. Christian Barberi, who's a cardiologist technician, Dawn Pratica, who is a crossing guard, and Allison Dennis, who is an MSU junior. Christian Barberi's response was, "Does it have something to do with rocks and bones?" Dawn Pratica said, "I have no idea. I know that the lady from Bones does that, though." Allison Dennis said, "The study of a social setting or group. My description sounds like sociology." As we can see, my participants' response varied. It seems like some were a little bit on track, but they still don't understand what anthropology is. Well, according to the AAA, which is the American Anthropological Association, anthropology is the study of humans past and present. It is to understand the full sweep and complexity of cultures across all of human history. According to the AAA, there are 4 subfields of anthropology. Subfields, according to the AAA, is sociocultural. They say that this subfield examines social patterns and practices across cultures with a special interest in how people live in particular places and how they organize, govern, and create meaning. Linguistics. According to the AAA, this is the comparative study of ways in which language reflects and influences social life. It explores the many ways in which language practices define patterns of communication, formulate categories of social identity, and group membership. Anthropology, according to the AAA, is the study of past people and cultures from the deepest prehistory to the recent past, through the analysis of material remains ranging from artifacts and evidence of past environments to architecture and landscapes. Or also known as biological, according to the IAA, seek to understand how humans adapt to diverse environments, how biological and cultural processes work together to shape growth, development, and behavior, and what causes disease and early death. Now that we know the real definition of anthropology and what the subfields entail, let me explain to you why I'm attracted to this field. It's because I believe that if there are more anthropologists or more people that knew and understood anthropology, that we would have more open-mindedness in the world. Because think of how many people we encounter on a daily basis. Then think about their different backgrounds and their upbringing and their cultures, their way of life at home, the rituals that they go through. And some of them have stigmas attached to them, and they're prejudged. And that could only be from the negligence of people that don't understand and what is portrayed on the news. And I think that by understanding and learning these different cultures and trying to express that to other people, could hopefully lessen the stigma and prejudgment that is experienced in today's society. And that is why my heart is fully devoted to anthropology and why I think that more people should take an interest in it. Because there's 4 subfields and I'm sure every person could find one thing that they're interested in to make a career out of or just to enjoy as a hobby.